Hey guys, this is Darko. Today I'll show you recommended settings and tips how to get the best image without doing the actual calibration on LG's 2022 OLED TVs. I'll be demoing this on 55-inch C2, but these recommendations and tips apply to all OLED TVs in LG's 2022 TV lineup. So, let's get started. For the first step, make sure that TV is in home mode. To do that, let's press Settings button on the remote, go to All Settings, next select General, Devices, TV Management, and here you have Home/Store mode. Select Home mode. Next tip is to select the appropriate picture mode. Depending on type of signal, is it SDR, HDR or Dolby Vision, you will have different picture presets to choose from. Based on my measurements and conducted tests, for SDR the best picture presets are Cinema, Filmmaker mode, Expert Bright Room with color gamut set to auto, and Expert Dark Room. For HDR10 and HLG, select Cinema or Filmmaker mode, and for Dolby Vision, go with Dolby Vision Cinema. In case of gaming, for the quickest response, select Game Optimizer, and for Game Optimizer, make sure that color temperature is set to warm 50 to get accurate white balance. And these are two main tips, so home mode and selecting the most accurate picture preset. The next tip I want to share is adjusting brightness of the screen. Many times I hear from people who switch from these default presets like Echo or Standard that these accurate picture modes are too dim. Well, there are controls that will help you with that. If you go to Advanced Settings, Brightness, you will see OLED Pixel Brightness. And here you can adjust this value to the level you want. If you want brighter image, increase it. If you want dimmer image, decrease it. There is also gamma control, BT.1886, but if you want brighter image, go with lower value, for example 2.2 or 1.9. But for movie watching experience, BT.1886 is recommended. You can also benefit from built-in ambient light sensor that will automatically adjust brightness of the screen, but that option is not here in this menu. You need to go to General, OLED Care, Device Self-Care, Energy Saving. It's really easy to find, right? Here you need to set Energy Saving step to Auto. And now we have one new control this year, which is minimum brightness. So here you can tell the TV, okay, I want this automatic brightness change, but I don't want image to be too dim. So here you have option to adjust it. So the range is from 0 to 10. So if you don't want too dim image, then you can set it to maximum value of 10. And once you activate energy saving step, if we go back to picture, advanced settings, brightness, you will see this control is no longer available. Now coming to motion, you have controls in clarity submenu, and basically you can turn off all of them except real cinema and true motion. So for best motion resolution, I recommend user selection and de-blur set to maximum 10. If you want soap opera effect in movies, then you need to tweak the judder control. but if you don't want it, then set it to 0. This is my recommendation. There is also a black frame insertion with this OLED motion control, but it will dim the image and introduce flickering, and motion resolution will not get any better compared to just having the blur set at 10, so I prefer to keep it turned off. You also have some presets here: smooth movement, natural, that will introduce soap opera effect, and cinematic movement that will also give nice results for movies without soap opera effect. But this is how I have my TV set. We also have noise reduction, which is very effective also this year. MPEG noise reduction for compression artifacts, not that effective, but you can try it if you have some highly compressed content. And smooth gradation, if you notice bending, you can activate this control. Also, for lower resolutions, you can play with adjust sharpness and super resolution. Otherwise, for neutral sharpness, keep this control turned off and adjust sharpness at 10. And guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching it. As you saw, by doing these small tweaks, you will get better accuracy, better stability, and overall better experience from your LG OLED TV. Let me know if you have some other recommendations and how did you adjust your TV. And I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye!